In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Base44. Logging out might seem like a tiny step, but it's actually really important, especially if you're using a shared or public computer, or if you work across multiple accounts. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to safely sign out of your Base44 workspace, and I'll explain what you should see on your screen at each stage so you can follow along easily. First, open your web browser and go to the Base44 web app. You can do this by typing the Base44 address into your browser's address bar and hitting enter, or by clicking any saved bookmark you might already have. Make sure you're on the official Base44 site. Once the page loads, you should see your usual dashboard or home screen, assuming you're already signed in. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen. In this area, you'll find the name of your current workspace. This is typically displayed as a label or a small menu, and it might show the organization or project name you're currently working in. This workspace name also acts as a menu trigger for account-related options. Move your mouse to that workspace name and click on it. When you click, a drop-down menu should appear. This menu usually contains options related to your account and workspace settings, such as managing profiles, switching workspaces, or accessing preferences. What you're looking for in this list is the option to log out. In the drop-down menu, find the item labeled logout. It may be near the bottom of the list, since sign-out options are often placed there. Once you've located it, click on logout. After you do this, Base44 will start the process of ending your session. You should now be redirected away from your workspace. Typically, you'll land on a sign-in page or a general welcome page, which is a good confirmation that you've successfully logged out. At this point, your active session is closed, which helps keep your data secure. If you're on a shared device,